Cooking with Reuben. Cooking with Reuben. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting episode of Cooking with Reuben.
What do you mean another?
We're going to make loads, aren't we? Right,
Where's
Reuben's
the
going to make
first
a
one?
lasagna.
Where's the first
This is the
one?
first Cooking with
But
Reuben.
it's the first one.
And Reuben's going to show you how to make lasagna. So first, Reuben's going to just put 1 spoon of his bolognese sauce on the bottom of his lasagna tray.
Oh,
Just 1 big spoon.
like that.
Yeah, or 2 that size. And then he's going to try and spread it all over the bottom as much as he can.
Like this.
Maybe put another spoon in.
Ooh, that's good.
That's it, spread it all
It
across the bottom so it's all
smells nice.
spread out nice.
It smells really nice as well.
And then he's going to cover all of that with lasagna sheets. So put your spoon back in your bolognese.
Okay. This looks nice on the picture.
Cooking with Reuben.
Oh, this isn't as hard as when you finish cooking. So I just put it all
Yeah,
around.
and you've got to cover the whole bottom with lasagna sheets.
Okay, so good. So no matter if it goes under another one a bit.
No, probably put these ones this way.
Okay.
Now, Reuben's going to put half of all this bolognese in there.
Half.
Half, yeah. Keep putting it, keep putting it in. You want half of it in there.
Half. How many in half? Because I don't know when that would really.
I'll tell you when to stop that.
But that's not much. A lot. I want to eat some already.
Right, as you can see, Reuben's now finished putting a whole layer of the bolognese sauce down
So
on
do we
his
have
lasagna.
more of this? Is it more of this?
Do you want to put layers of lasagna in between, or shall we put a layer of white on first?
White.
Okay. Put a third of that white on.
Thick.
A third, yeah.
Okay. So I'll just get some of it.
That's it. Keep scooping it out. Just pouring it on the top, but don't let it get mixed in. Can't mix in. Reuben's very careful if everybody's watching.
So don't spread
No, don't,
it.
you can't mix in with the bread.
So you don't spread it.
No, it like stays on top of the bread.
Can't spread it.
So put like a bit there and make like dots like that all the way around. So you mix it.
Luckily they're big, so it's not
Yeah.
too hard. That one's not really a dot. But
That'll do.
oh, but that's not sense.
Then we need some for the top.
So
As you can see, Reuben's finished spreading all his white sauce around. Careful not to mix it too much with the red.
You don't want to mix it too
Yeah.
much, but you do want to spread it.
So now he's going to put another layer of lasagna sheets.
Lasagna sheets.
Another layer. He's doing a very good job of these lasagna sheets, as you can see. Two more. It don't matter if they get a bit in there.
Are these edible, right? I'm not going to
No,
eat.
they're not edible until they're cooked.
Okay.
Right, now we're going to put the rest of the red sauce on. Scrape
just
all that
the
out,
bolognese.
son. Scrape it all out. What are you doing now, Reuben?
Spreading the.
I think that's all spread now, isn't it? Well done.
Unfortunately, we only have 2 lasagna sheets left, so I'm going to put them diagonal, but normally you would
Cover the whole top.
cover the whole top.
It's pretty cool. Now,
That should be good.
let's put the rest of our garlicky white sauce.
Okay. So you're not spreading it. as you can see, I finished spreading it, so now I'm going to put the cheese on.
Good.
So, if you've ever made pizza before, we will make a pizza show. You're going to sprinkle the cheese on like pizza. Oh, I accidentally did that. Okay, I'm sprinkling the last bit of cheese on. It took a very long time to do all this, so it will also take a long time for you. So now, if you're a kid like me, you can get a grown-up to put it in the oven.
How many minutes?
14 minutes. 40, I mean. This is Daddy putting it in the oven, or my dad, I guess. 40 minutes. That is 40. This is the finished lasagna, and now we're going to cut it up ready for tea. If you enjoyed today's cooking lesson and you would like to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe.